Hey guys, Michael Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Today again, I'm working on my 150 horsepower two-stroke. I've been doing a lot of work to this thing, trying to figure out spark. We got some switches, stator and rectifier, or the stator and trigger up top's coming in. But I noticed these wires here are a little burnt out. So before we put the new stator, I'm going to replace these rectifiers. So it looks like we just pull off our 6 spark plug boots real quick. Right, and it looks like we got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see what those are and pull those 4 bolts off, and then I was thinking this plate's just going to kind of set back. Alrighty, so we got 11 millimeter. I'm going to pull these 4 bolts off here. 1, 2, 3. Come on. A little bit of corrosion. Pull those 4 bolts off. So we got the 4 nuts off, and it pulls out. We had to take this nut and bolt off. It goes to this ground right here. Goes to this ground. So that way we can get in here and check out our rectifiers. We got these little sleeves. Pull those off. There. Let's see if there's any type of part number on here. Not seeing a part number, but I think I want to go ahead and just change these with the stator. So we're going to go ahead and get the 2 new rectifiers, slide them in. Basically yellow, yellow. We got what? 2 yellows here with 2 reds. We got 2 yellows there with 2 reds, a gray, and then obviously the ground, and that's pretty much it. These both tie into this. One goes to the stator, and then this one's running over to the starter solenoid, looks like. So probably for 12 volt power. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get these 2 ordered, and stay tuned. Alrighty guys, here's the new rectifiers that showed up from Caltrick. Looks like they have an extra ground on here than the ones that we got. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect all the butt splices on there. And here we go. This is where they're located here. You pull the 4 bolts off. Here's the ground right here. We're going to put those extra grounds they gave us on this. So we're going to set that out the side. We'll probably do one at a time. We'll pull this one out right here, and then basically that's just going to slide on there. Come on, man, I just put it on there, just missed it on there. You just slide on there. Ground's going to go with the ground, and we're just going to, we got 2 yellows, so we're going to take the 2 yellows off, the 2 reds. This one looks like one of the reds is capped. So we're going to just do the same thing, cap the red, and then we're going to jump up to this one, swap this one, same thing. And these connections here are a little burned out, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off and put a new crimp on it. If you'd like, you could always put a little extra piece of heat shrink over that. So I'm going to go ahead and get these new ones on, show you what that kind of looks like. Alrighty guys, that's basically it. We went ahead and we cut this one off here. We put on a new connector there. These 2 here, we're replacing the stator. So those are going to get replaced. I just have them in there now. We got the gray one up top. Another red one here. This one was okay. Over here we got 2 yellow ones which are running up. These 2 other connections are okay. It looks like we got 1 more I'll probably fix here. This one looks a little dark, so I'll probably do that one. But the ground, we had to plug the gray on the bottom one, and the grounds are going to come out. So once there's little collar sleeves I put on here, and then this will just literally slide in there. You put those on, lay in the ground here with all the grounds, and that's basically how you do your rectifiers. Make sure your power is off. You don't want to have any voltage going to this. So just want to say, hopefully that helps you guys out with the rectifier replacement on a This is probably a 97 Mariner, 2-stroke, 150 horsepower. Good luck, guys. Stay tuned for any of my other videos. Here's the 2 stators that I took out. I'm going to hold on to them as extras. Don't really know if they were bad. I'm sure there's ways to test them, but they're cheap enough to replace them. So good luck, y'all. God bless.